In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to structure a trade with the VolatilityFX Pocket Risk Department. Let's switch to $CAD on the tab and start off by seeing our best and worst case scenarios for our $CAD cash flow over time. We'll click the Forecast Value at Risk button and we'll see that in 2 months we are risking 5.3% and in 1 year we're risking 13.8%. Volatility Risk offers us assistance in sizing trades, selecting stop loss and take profit target levels, and finding our best and worst case scenarios for our trade before we ever deal. In this case, we'll find appropriate take profit and stop loss levels based on our risk tolerance for this trade. If we click Risk Loving, we'll find a stop loss and take profit level, both with a 50% chance of touching. A risk-averse trade will have a stop loss level at a 75% chance of touching and a take profit level at a 50% chance of touching, and a risk-loving trade will have a stop loss level at 50% and a take profit level at 25%. Next, we need to discover how large our trade should be. One way to do this is by finding our maximum tolerable loss and then sizing the trade based on the worst case scenario. Here we input a $1,000 maximum tolerable loss, and Volatility Risk says that within 1 week our trade notional of $57,800 will have an upper and lower value at risk of $1,000. Here, our stop loss level with a 50% chance of touching is 121.13. Our take profit level with a 25% chance of touching is 122.35. If we stop out, we will lose $341, and if we take profit, we'll make $584. And as discussed before, our best and worst case scenario, as we input it and size the trade off of, is $1,000. The probability of neither one of these levels touching is 37.5%. The probability of strategy success, which is the probability that your take profit touches without your stop loss touching, is 12.5%. Volatility Risk offers robust data visualizations. These include donut charts, which describe the probability of our stop loss and take profit levels touching, as well as neither level touching and a strategy success, as well as a box plot which shows our best and worst case scenario, our interquartile range, and then shows our stop loss and take profit in relation to our expected distribution. We can look at this in terms of the price as well as the payout. For example, our best and worst case scenario in this box plot is $1,000, and our take profit is $580, and our stop loss at $300. Finally, we have a historical data summary as well as a payout chart that VolatilityFX provides. But what happens if we have a fixed take profit or stop loss level which we'd like to find the probability of touching? Here, let's price up a 122.50 take profit level, and we can see that Volatility Risk predicts there's a 19.8% chance that this level touches in 1 week.